Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Freeform iPhone. To begin, open the Freeform app and tap the plus icon to create a new board. This digital canvas is perfect for brainstorming, sketching, and organizing your thoughts. You can use your finger or an Apple Pencil to draw, write, and interact with your ideas. It's a fantastic tool for visual thinkers and collaborators, offering endless possibilities for your projects. Freeform offers many tools to bring your ideas to life. Easily add sticky notes for quick thoughts or text boxes for detailed explanations. You can also insert photos, videos, and even scan documents directly onto your board. Explore the robust drawing tools, which include a variety of brushes and colors, to customize your creations. It's all about making your board as dynamic as your imagination. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation: for all your reading needs, including reviewing those Freeform notes or project ideas on the go, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime. You can find the link for the Kindle and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Freeform truly shines when you collaborate. Share your boards with friends or colleagues to work together in real time, seeing everyone's contributions instantly. Keep your board tidy by grouping related items or using connectors to show relationships between different elements. When you're done, easily export your finished boards as PDFs or images, making sharing your masterpieces simple and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.